I had at least one person ask if I can make a video regarding how I made the meetup post. It's pretty simple. All I did was grab a Tinker Toy assortment of PVC, and let me show you what I mean. I used toilet flange as my base because you can screw it into things. I learned this while I was making ground quivers for teaching archery, then worked on converting it down into 3/4 inch pipe so it wouldn't be too heavy. I then bedazzled it with Mardi Gras beads and a whole bunch of hot glue. I made sure that when I did so, I left to make sure the connectors were all going to work. Then stenciled out with tape the letters and spray painted it. These are the connectors, and this is the cap for the end of it. And then I put a base on it. I just added a whole bunch of extra hot glue where the connecting points meet, where the couplings meet, because people are going to be touching those, which means they're going to have a lot of wear and tear, and that just means that they need to stick on there real thoroughly. So I'm just reinforcing a quick coat of spray paint all around the base so it'll match the aesthetic. You know, it's a really nice hardwood. I guess I could have done a stain or something, but you know, we're just having some fun here. This is the base, so I reckon it's gonna get the most amount of like kicking and, you know, wear and tear. So I'm just using a copious amount of hot glue on this thing and really just kind of get every nook and cranny I possibly can. Collapsible, so we got this guy, drop it in there. And we grab this one, I think it's purple. Doesn't really matter, right? I just like to match the aesthetic. And we got this guy up here. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. And finally, the last piece. And of course, we can always put this on and then put it up there. Da 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 da. All the way down to the base.